Hi, my name is Gina and I'm working as OFW here in Qatar for more than 4 years now. It's been 4 weeks that all the shops where I'm working shut down due to the pandemic and I need to stay home. Since I'm just home every day, I help myself to live as normal as much as possible. Every morning I walk outside for at least an hour. Today is April 29, 2021, 7:41 a.m. Qatar time. I just realized it's more than a year that the pandemic affected the whole world and everybody's life needs to live to a new normal world. I am an OFW for many years now, and I can only be with my family and loved ones not more than 20 days a year. But since last year, I did not able to see them. I did not able to travel to my country. Every morning I woke up praying and hoping that everything get to normal as before COVID-19 invaded the world. I'm praying that everyone could travel without any hassle, worries, and fears to be infected. I'm hoping that every OFW could visit their home country and be with their family and loved ones, and could go back to their work without any fears of losing a family and a job. I was very happy this morning when I saw the rain here in Qatar. It only happens for just few times, and if it rains for just very short period of time. It's very mild for me, as I used to live in a country where strong rain pours and typhoons come in almost all the year. I felt blessed and happy to feel the rain droplets onto my skin and to my hairs. However, my heart felt some emptiness and longing. A feeling of someone that has been far from loved ones for a long period of time. A feeling of someone that is living alone, miles away from home. And just at this very moment, I just felt I really missed home.